All right. First of all, I'm assuming that you've now found the YouTube channel Bruce Williams 72. Because if you haven't found that yet, you're probably not watching this video. Now, once you've found this video, you're going to see different flying particles with, in parentheses, the kind of shape or function they're performing. In this case, it's flying particles ln, which is natural log. What I want to be able to do, though, is I want to be able to show my students, or if I'm a student, I want to be able to find how that particle is moving across the screen. So the first thing that every one of these videos has is a few seconds of just free-floating particles all over the place. You got to wait a second to get through those, and they will be identified in the top left-hand corner. Once you're past that, it will tell you to begin looking for the particle that's going to be flying across the screen. If you're showing this to a class, or even if you're at home, it'll be easier to see it if you can make this picture the entire screen. If you're not sure how to do that, you click down here where it has full screen in the bottom right-hand corner. When I click that, it's going to take it to the entire slide. Now, I've already kind of queued it up so that we can look at specifically where this point is going to be flying across the screen. As I do that, I can move this back and forth so I can find specific spots and make it sure that I can show where this is going. Now, once I push play, you'll notice that the point begins moving across the screen. I will push pause on different places where it stops so that I can identify what the coordinates are of that point as it moves across the screen. Once I've identified it and had the students write it down, I'd push play again. When I push play again, it continues to move across the screen. I will stop it with pause at different places so that I can see and write down those coordinates. If it gives you a little bit of a problem and it doesn't pause right away, just slide this back and you can push play and it'll move across the screen again. Also, every time that we've had it go through, I've recorded it 3 times. So it will repeat 3 times for each one of the functions. That way, if you miss it the first, you can use it the next.